Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Miss Ebony Lux, and if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Alright, let's get into this hairstyle. So I'm using my Eco Styler gel to go ahead and push these baby hairs back. Let's go ahead and get them out of the way. Make sure they are laid and slayed. I'm just kidding. You ain't gotta slay them, just push them back. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my stocking cap. Make sure it's nice and snug. I'm not gonna put it over my eyes. I'm gonna put it right there on top of my eyebrows. Go ahead and mesh that in. Cut them holes in the ear. Make sure you put them back behind the ear. Nice and snugged. Tough time getting a little ear through there, but it's cool. All right, so I'm gonna use my olive oil Fix-It spray. And go ahead and glue that down. I was running out of spray, y'all. That was the last little bit right there. That was just the last of it. You're gonna throw that away. All right, so now the cap is secure. We're gonna go ahead and give it a good blow dry. Make sure it's dry, okay? So let's go ahead and cut the ear tabs off on both sides. Hello, look at that side. All right, let's go ahead and cut as close to the cap as possible. All right, on both sides. Let's get as close as possible. All right, I'm gonna get that extra excess off. All right, so I'm gonna use my olive oil grip gel, and I'm just gonna put it right on the edges of the cap to smoothen it out a little bit more, like so. And then I'm gonna go ahead and give it a good blow dry after this, while also pressing down on it just to make sure that it's nice and smooth. Alright y'all, so I ran out of my tint spray, so I had to go in with my finishing powder and apply that all over the stocking cap to get it as close to my skin tone as possible. Alright y'all, so let's get into this wigs. So I purchased this wig from Luvme Hair. This is a short curly 12-inch lace closure wig. It has 3 combs and it also has a strap in the back. It came with an extra gift, so let's see what's inside. Nails from Christmas, a little scrunchie, some bomb lashes, y'all. Them lashes are popping. Normally you get the cheap lashes, but I got some bomb lashes, some hoop earrings. Y'all, what is this? I cannot figure out what this is to save my life. Oh, come on, what is it? Help me out here, please. A little comb. I can put this thing on my head, see what it looked like before I customize it. I'm nervous, y'all. I know what this wig's gonna look like on my head. But fresh out the box, it looks really good. Like, I love the curls. I love the lace on it. So we're gonna go ahead and customize it a little bit because that hairline ain't gonna do. So let's go ahead and pluck some of these hairs out. All right, so I'm done with the plucking process. So you can now see the difference between what the original looked like versus what I just did. So I'm going to use my wax stick and go ahead and flatten that area out. And I'm going to use my hot comb right on top of it to go ahead and push it on back and out of the way. Alright, so I'm using True Match. Excuse the little nail, y'all. Alright, so I'm just going to spray right on the inside of it. This is my first time using this product, so I'm really not sure how it's going to turn out. But we're going to try it. So I'm just going to add a little bit more on there, because I couldn't really see the difference with the first one. So I added a second layer. And it didn't really hide the knots like I would have liked it to, but it did change the color of the lace a little bit. So I'm thinking I would have to put maybe 4 layers of that spray, but who knows. All right, let's see what it looks like on. Let me pull this up. It looks good. It looks good to me. A little crooked over there, but let me fix it. All right. So I'm going to use my Got2b glue since I ran out of my olive oil grip gel. I haven't used this in a long time, so the consistency is a little bit off, but it still does the job, y'all. Got the job done. I'm just going to give it a light blow dry, just so that it's a little bit tacky. And pull it right over and give it a good press. Make sure to smooth that out in the area. I'm just going to clap my hair out the way. And using my Got2b glue spray, I'm just going to spray that right on top for some extra security. And go ahead and tie it down nice and tight. All right. So I'm going to spray water. And then I'm going to add mousse on top of it. These curls are so soft, y'all. Like, I love the texture of the hair. They feel really soft. I personally love their hair company. I typically get all of my wigs from them. So using my matchstick, I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my part area to help get rid of those knots, considering I did not bleach the wig. I didn't have time, y'all. I was busy. I'm using my cotton swab that I dipped in alcohol to go ahead and remove any excess makeup off of the hair itself. Dang, lash coming off. All right. So let's go ahead and take this band off. Ooh, it's pretty. All right. So with this one, you want to kind of zigzag a little bit while cutting. You never want to cut straight across. It just doesn't look good. So just give it a little zigzag cut, very tiny zigzags, okay? If you want to use a razor, that's great too, because it'll give it kind of a jagged edge look. So tell me what y'all think. Y'all think baby hairs or no baby hairs? Let me know in the comments, because I never tried a wig without baby hairs. Only with baby hairs. All right, so I'm parting out the baby hairs now. And just a little, very fine part. I'm going to use my hot comb to press it forward and thin them out just a little bit. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm just using my baby hair toothbrush comb to help lift some of those hairs up from the glue. So same thing, use a hot comb. I'm just gonna cut it right above my eyebrow, straight across, like so. Then I'm gonna curl them back. It just makes it easier to lay the baby hairs down. And I'm using my mousse to go ahead and lay and slay. Let's get these clips out. I was feeling sexy, y'all. I was feeling good, okay? Trying to fill it out. So I'm using my powder, the same powder that I put on the cap. I'm just applying it to the very edge because it wasn't blending the way I liked it to blend. So just add a little extra powder to help it blend in. So this is super soft. I love these curls. I'm not sure about the length, but I definitely love the texture of the hair. And I like how it's snug, so I really didn't have to glue it down, but I did anyways. I really don't ever wear closures. I typically wear like the full lace fronts, but I decided to try this wig out, and so far I love it. I think this will be a cute go-to wig, especially in the summer, you know, for the protective hairstyles. It's not, you know, you won't be too hot. So yeah. Anyways, guys, this is True Match. I purchased this online. I used bronze, in the color bronze, and I'm not sure about how I feel about it, so I'll have to try it again at a later date. So I'll try it again at a later time. But this wig is from Luvme Hair. If you love it, feel free to go ahead and purchase. No, this video is not sponsored, but I can't wait till I am. Anyways, thank you guys for joining me today. I feel like I'm rambling, so thank you guys for joining me and tuning into my videos. Let me know if you guys have any questions, or if you would like me to do another video, a different hairstyle. Also, so I'm interested in doing a Q&A video, so put some questions down below and I'll be glad to answer them. This will be a get to know me video, so feel free, go ahead and put your questions in the comments below, or feel free to message me. Also follow me on Instagram at miss.ebonylux. And thank you guys again. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I feel like I'm singing to you guys, so if I'm being annoying, just let me know. Okay, anyways, thank you guys for tuning in with me today. I really appreciate you guys. For those of you who already subscribed, I thank you guys so much. You're taking my channel a long way, and it is much, 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 much appreciated, okay? So thank you guys again. I feel like I said thank you 50,000 times, but I'm gonna keep saying thank you, thank you, thank you, because I'm so appreciative of you guys. So thanks again. Thanks. Bye.